Hey everyone, welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Today we will learn about Tableau Calculations and Filters. That's it. If these are the type of videos you'd like to watch, then hit that like and subscribe buttons and the bell icon to get notified. Just for a quick info, if you want to upskill yourself, master business analytics skills, or land your dream job or grow in your career, then you must explore Simplilearn's cohort of various business analytics programs. Simplilearn offers postgraduate program from Purdue University in collaboration with Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. Through this program, you will gain knowledge and work-ready expertise in skills like prescriptive and predictive analytics, regression, classification, and over a dozen others. That's not all, you also get the opportunity to work projects and learn from industry experts from top-tier abroad companies and academics from top universities. After completing these courses, thousands of learners have transitioned into a business analytics role as a fresher or a paying job profile. If you are passionate about making your career in this field, then make sure to check out the link in the pinned comment and description box below to find a business analytics program that fits your experience and areas of interest. Now, without further delay, let's get started with Tableau Calculations and Filters. So we will right away jump into Tableau Public. So the data set we are dealing with Tableau Sales European data set. So we have row ID, order ID, ship date, ship mode, customer name, segment, city, etc. Right? Category, subcategory. All the basic data related to sales. So let's get back to the sheet. And now before we proceed, there are different types of calculations. Let's say you are familiar with Microsoft Excel or Power BI or any other mathematics basically. So what do we have there? We have something called as aggregate functions, Boolean functions, subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, right? So when it comes to Tableau, we can also implement the same. So we can also find out aggregate functions like sum, average, minimum, maximum, difference, etc. And if you are ought to create some other mathematical field which is different from the regular go-to-mass or aggregate functions, then you can also do those. So if you are focusing on such type of mathematical function, then it can be created using calculated fields in Tableau, and you can write down different mathematical statistical formulas and even some SQL queries sometimes. So today we will drill down to the basics. So we will only focus on aggregate and other regular mathematical functions apart from the SQL queries. And please do let us know if you want us to work on some deep down SQL queries on some complicated calculated fields in Tableau, which can help you in real time. So with that, we will also work on some of the filters which you can implement in Tableau dashboards. Let's say, for example, we create some calculated field which finds out maximum sales from a region or maximum sales in a subcategory, and let's say we also find out some okay, we have measures which say discount, profit, and quantity. Let's say we want to calculate the selling price or cost price of a certain subcategory item, then we can do it using the calculated field. And we want to find out that particular calculation for a specific region. Let's say we have a region dimension here. Let's say we have 5 regions, and out of which we want to find out the details of cost price, selling price, and profit for the West region, right? You can add that into the filter segment. That means you need to drag the region dimension into the filters, and you can also click on the show filter to have that filter section right on the right side part of this panel, and you can click on the filter regions there and extract the required filter. So even when it comes to filters, we also have different types of filters. Let's say about 5 to 6 filters. So we have extract filter, data filter, context filter, and dimension filter, measure filter, and table filter. So you will be using any of these filters based on your requirement. And also do let us know if you want an exclusive tutorial on filters in Tableau with all the types of filters included, and if you want a complete end-to-end demonstration on each of these filters. So with that, let's proceed with our Tableau calculations and filters with a brief overview. Let's try now to find out the selling price or cost price of a particular subcategory item. Let's drag subcategory to rows and drag sales to this particular table. Here we were supposed to drag sales here, so it gives us a number. There you go. And let's say this is sale price, and profit. Let's drag profit here. Right now we need the cost price, right? So how do you do it? So you can create a new calculated field over here. Just select that, and let's name it as cost price. Here you need to sum of sales minus profits, sum of profits. There you go, apply, and you will have a newly created calculated field right over here. You can see it is designated as equal to hashtag, which is a little different from the other measures which just start by an hashtag, right? You can just drag this and you can drop it over here to find out the actual cost price. So there you go. So you have the cost price, profit, and sales. Now let's say you want to calculate the minimum and maximum of sales that are happening in a region. So you can just quickly, drag the subcategory to rows and sales to columns. Just add it. And now we want the minimum sales and maximum sales of that particular subcategory item. Now you can just create a new calculated field, and max sales is the name, equals to max. So here's your function, max of sales. Press tab to select and press OK. Now you created a max sales option over there, and now let's create the minimum sales. You can write a new calculated field, min sales, and here you can use minimum. Press tab to select sales, press tab to select and press OK. Now you created new calculated fields over here. You can just drag maximum sales, minimum sales with that aggregate function, and now you have maximum sales and minimum sales right there. Now let's say we find the use of filters, right? Now let's say we want to find region wise sales. Let's add region over here, and the sales part onto the rows. Now let's say we want to find out only the central part. Now what you can do is drag that particular region into filters, and here just press OK. Just check all the parameters you have or not, and then just press OK. And now you can click on the drop down menu, use show filter, and you have it here. And now based on your requirement you can do it. And for now you can see this particular filter works only for sheet number 3 but not here, right? So to help on that part, you can click on this option where you can apply to all worksheets. So when you click on this, onto this worksheet, when you click on this, you can find that particular option to all the sheets. Okay, we were supposed to all related data sources. There you go. And if you click it, here you can find out that particular filter, and just click on the drop down menu, show filter, and you can see all. Now you have the max sales, minimum sales, and total sales of a subcategory, certain subcategory for all the regions. Now let's say I want to find out that data for only central region. You have it up here. Just click on east, you have east sales, east and north, you have east and north, right? And let's say we come back to this particular sheet where we have the cost price, profit, etc. Let's click on this show filter option here and click all, and we have the sales data right here. So let's say we want to find out the cost price, profit, and sales data for only central region. Here you go. So that's how calculations, basic mathematical calculations in Tableau work, such as the aggregate functions, minimum, maximum, and border mass functions. So that's how the basic mathematical functions operate in Tableau, and that's how the simple filters operate in Tableau. And with that, we have come to the end of this session on Tableau Calculations and Filters. Do let us know if you want an in-depth tutorial on filters and Tableau calculations. And with that, if you have any queries regarding any of the topics covered in this session, or if you require the dataset that we used in this session or any resource that we used in this session, please do let us know, and our team of experts will be happy to help you as soon as possible. Until next time, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.